Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to join the Temu affiliate program in 2025. If you're into online shopping and want to turn your influence into income, this is your golden ticket. Temu is one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms, and their affiliate program lets you earn commissions by promoting their products to your audience. It's perfect for bloggers, social media influencers, or anyone with a following. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Temu website. Look for the Affiliates or Partners section. It's usually in the footer or a dedicated page. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Make sure to use a valid email and set a strong password. Next, fill out the application form. They'll ask for details like your name, contact info, and some info about your audience, such as your social media handles or website. Be honest and highlight why you'd be a great fit, maybe mention your niche or follower count. After submitting, wait for approval. Temu might review your application, which could take a few days, so keep an eye on your email. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can generate unique tracking links for Temu products. Remember, in 2025, Temu has updated their program to include better analytics and higher commission rates, so track your performance closely. A few tips to succeed. Always disclose your affiliate links to build trust, focus on products you genuinely like, and promote them through engaging content like reviews or tutorials. And don't forget to comply with any guidelines to avoid getting banned. Wrapping this up, joining the Temu affiliate program in 2025 is straightforward and can be a game changer for your side hustle. If you follow these steps, you'll be earning in no time. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.